Alrighty. So, following up from where we left off, we had our documentation, our architecture, and framework, as well as the initial team members that we defined. So, I had a few issues with setup where I needed to move these README files out because when starting a new Next.js project from scratch, it can't have any files present. So yeah, moved those out, dealt with those issues. Eventually, just told it that I wanted it to build, in the current directory, and had to reference those elsewhere. So it ran its own thing, set it all up. I just had to interact with a couple shad CN and sort of initialization scripts, and then it just went ahead and created its own components. And it only used 25 tool calls, which is quite cool. So at this point, I wanted to just stop it and check in. It's obviously set up our nice Next.js project as per usual, configs, components, all of that kind of stuff. And now this is our, straight off the bat, I haven't touched the code at all simulation. So we have the day night cycle, which seems to be happening. There seems to be some sort of HDRI in the background. If we zoom in here, we can see that the boat changes shade as well, which is kind of the life cycle of the boat degenerating time. There doesn't seem to be much happening with the sphere. It seems to be pretty static. And then we do have these HUD controls, so I can speed up the weather, so that will just make the sun and the other sun go up and down quicker. And then we can also increase the boat speed, which changes both its rotation and its life cycle. So yeah, I mean it hasn't gotten everything perfect, but it is pretty interesting to see that we can get a good starting point. So obviously from here now I will dive into all the more specific settings and configurations, and yeah, it should be pretty fun.